10 to 15 knots late. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Wave detail, southeast 5 feet at 6 seconds. A chance of thunderstorms until midnight. Showers. A chance of thunderstorms after midnight.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Newcastle County in northern Delaware, western Salem County in southern New Jersey, west central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:23 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Parkersburg to Glen West over to Cecileton, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Newark, Middletown, Westchester, Chester, Pennsville, Coatesville, Westtown, Carneys Point, Downingtown, Ellesmere, Kennett Square, Newcastle, Penns Grove, Salem, Parkersburg, Woodstown, Alloway, West Grove, and Coyton. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike near Exit 1, Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 310 and 320, Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 5, Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 1 and 23, Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 13. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northern Delaware, southern New Jersey, and southeastern Pennsylvania. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northern Delaware, southern New Jersey, and southeastern Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Chester, and Delaware, and Newcastle, Delaware, and the following counties in New Jersey.
Eastern Pacific, Eastern Union, Hudson, Western Essex, and Western Union, and Southeast New York.
It was Gloucester and Salem.
The tornado warning for